didn't growl at all.
Yeah, I mean, Oliver has taught, because Frida's getting bigger, Oliver actually had to kind of put his foot down and say no, I'm the big one. I'm the bigger one. Now, how old is Oliver? He's 2 in December.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that'll be his full time?
Oh yeah, he's done growing. In fact, I thought he was done growing for a while, and every time I saw maybe my relatives who hadn't seen him for he got big. He gained about 10 pounds since I got him, and then I thought, I think he's getting too heavy, but.
Well, she gained 10 pounds in 3 months.
Wow.
So the doctor said that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, you stop eating the snow.
You love that. You love that. So together. Oh, I can just see the 2 of them if they were in a house that lamps would be flying.
Oh,
from.
God.
Up and down the steps like a kid. Yeah,
They would have a ball in a fenced-in yard, though. I mean, they would just go around and around and around.
That's what I miss, not having a fenced-in yard.
Yeah, we have to go over to the tennis court someday and let them run.
Yeah, if I ever know when you're going.
Yeah. I wonder how it is. Oh, look at the golden girl over there. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, she wants to play with Coco. Yeah, she wants to play with.
Like an old man.
Oh, don't cry.
Never heard her cry like that.
No.